before we start this video, make sure you guys follow me on Twitter at DamnTheMan. Make sure you guys send me a message after you did, because in the comments down below, because I'll try to respond to as many of you guys as possible. Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name is Daniel. Welcome back to another video, and welcome back to another Try Not to Laugh Challenge video. Yeah, guys, I'm back, and I'm sorry if I haven't been making any videos lately. I've been busy with school and everything, and I'm trying to make videos, but I get so distracted watching other YouTube videos, seeing how my videos are doing, because I know they're not crappy. I know that for a fact. But what I'm going to be reacting to, you ask? Well, first thing I want to say, I hope you guys enjoyed the video where my evil twin brother reacted, to Darkiplier and Antisepticeye talking to each other.
I sure enjoyed it, didn't I?
Whatever, brother. You sorry you were threatening them?
Yeah, sorry, whatever.
Alright, bye. Anyway, yeah, guys. I'm gonna be reacting to, what video am I gonna be reacting to for Try Not to Laugh Challenge number 2, you may ask? Well, I'm gonna be reacting to Darkiplier versus Antisepticeye, the bloopers edition. And I want to see how well I do, because if I do well, I know I'm going to do good at it, or whatever. But yeah, you guys ready for this? Hold your breath, let your instincts pass, and prepare for the funny. The funny. There you go.
The power of friends! You're a garbage person.
Oh yeah?
This electric boogie is fucking popping. Work it, Justin! Nice job there. What'd you break?
Oops.
Grizzly voices.
Okay.
If you're ready to fight, I'm all yours. Why don't you come on then? There's no one else here. We can be ourselves. Finally. It's like leading into... You're so brash. When will you ever take an elegant touch?
Darkiplier and Antisepticeye in love?
There it is again. Damn it.
I'm joking, by the way.
There's nothing standing in the way of you taking what you want, so... This is really gay. It's really gay. A little bit, yeah. As I realized how gay it was.
Yeah.
You seem to lack a certain charm. No, because I was going to say someone better teach you some manners.
Shark yo-ho!
Shark yo-ho!
Nice.
Fire!
Bow. Yo-ho, yo-ho, sharky life for me. Nope, I didn't laugh. Boop.
I don't need to stand here for this. I can just... Yeah.
Oh man. There's this YouTuber who does do
Seems
that.
a young upstart like you needs to be taught some manners. I've been educated in certain ways to discipline bad boys. Fuck. Your superpower sucks. Fuck you guys.
Okay.
I could start smelling you. I'm a blazing Phil, and when you come to Britain, your tea will be cold and your crumpets will be burnt.
Like smells breath? Or what?
Avast!
Don't worry, you three. You're alive. I'm just doing it for fun. Okay.
Shut up. Shut up.
No one cares.
I was monologuing here. Damn it. I was doing a thing.
Oh my god.
Because I realized my shoulders.
Oh my
Oh
god.
my goodness.
Hey Dan. Nope. Nope. Ouch. Nope.
My anxiety is just a projection
Hey.
of my anxiety on others. I just got my head.
Bye. What up, dude? Daniel.
Nailed it. Perfect.
Nice. Nope. Nice one. Excuse me. I just some dinner.
It's Tom Scar, and my yell can blow you up.
Please no.
God, that feels good.
I bet so. Nope. Oh! Bill, are you okay?
I'm sorry, I told you I'd break it. Shark!
Yo ho. Grr. Just messing around.
You need to give me time to get back up. We're still dodging sharks. Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's try again.
Shark!
Yo ho.
Bear!
Grr.
Ethan!
Dab. Oh man.
Okay, alright. Your turn. He's got 4 nipples.
More like fall of Naples. Oh man, I cracked myself up. Cause when I said fall of Naples, that's a nothing. Anyway, that's a reference from Eat Goes Boom and The Hottest Dog. Yeah, I just borrowed those for a little bit. Well guys, I lost again. Oh my god. Piece of crap. Anyway, I'm still thinking of a punishment for myself. I'm thinking of doing the ice bucket challenge, because if I do, that'd be really cool. And I want to thank everyone that will help me make it to 1,000 subscribers. Like, shout out to Banda. He says, Dan, we will get you to 1,000 subs. Dan, listen to we all live together. So thanks, Bandana. Then to Ben, I got chills, and William. Do a questionnaire. Oh. Okay. Like read what people say in the comments down below and answer their questions. Like ask Daniel or Dan the Man. Yeah, I could do that. I mean, if the Annoying Orange and Liam the Leprechaun did ask YouTube videos, why not I make one of my own? But you know, if you guys tell me, yeah, guys, you can ask me any questions you want in the comments down below, and who knows, maybe I will do an Ask Daniel episode, you know, or Ask Dan the Man, whatever. And yeah, besides a shout out to those 3 people, I want to give another shout out to this other YouTuber. His name is Mario Sonic, and he's a pretty cool YouTuber. I mean, he makes really great videos. The most videos that he makes are I forgot what, but here he is right now. Yeah, that's him. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to please subscribe to to me and Mario Sonic. I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to him and subscribe to me, cause look at that, 114. Thanks. Sorry, fingers. But anyway, guys. Thank everyone that's been supporting my channel for quite a while. And I'm gonna give a little bit of an update on what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be making these two songs. One, I'm gonna be making let me think. I'm gonna be making these two musics. One called Wanna See My Mustache. It's a parody. Is that right? I hope I'm getting it right. Parody of Super Mario Logan's SML music, Wanna See My Pencil by Jeffy, which I'm pretty sure you might know Super Mario Logan, everyone. Subscribe to him, by the way, he's pretty cool. And yeah, I was thinking of what object I could use for my song, and I thought maybe my mustache, because look at this. Look at this good looking man. Ding. Whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna make. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna be doing "Wanna See My Mustache," and I'm gonna be making another song of PewDiePie versus T Series. You'll see. It'll be another parody video of one of his videos, and you'll see what I'm talking about. So he's talking about bitch lasagna. Yeah, if you guys know that song, then I'm gonna be making a parody of it, but you guys will see what it is, cause I'm gonna make it on my own, and I'm gonna just not like borrow the musics or whatever, but sing it on my own, So yeah, two parody videos that I'll make for you guys. I'm gonna be doing the Wanna See My Mustache first, and then the special one for PewDiePie and T-Series. By the way, subscribe to both PewDiePie and T-Series, but PewDiePie because, he's pretty cool. I think he's my favorite YouTuber because he has like 80 million subscribers. Like, I don't know how and what kind of videos he makes, but yeah, it's pretty cool. By the way, guys, let me know in the comments down below if you would like me to make a video with him sometime, because I would like to do that. So, yeah, guys, I'm gonna end this video here for now. Follow me on Twitter and everything else. And, yeah, help me make it to 1,000 subscribers. So, yeah, guys, let me know in the comments down below if this video was awesome. And then kick that like button right in the face. Like that. Please subscribe to my channel, too. Also, let me know in the comments down below if you want me to do an Ask Dan the Man video, by leaving questions down below in the comments. And as always, I will see you guys next time in the next video. Goodbye, everybody. Bye.